Have you ever wondered what makes a genius tick? What makes them different from the rest of us mere mortals? Well, today we'll delve into the fascinating world of geniuses, revealing some surprising fun facts about their extraordinary minds. Welcome back to Wellness Lenses, where every conversation is a deep dive into mental wellness. Hey, if you're new here, a special warm welcome to you as well. We know you're going to like it here. If today's topic is something that appeals to you, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content on mental health and psychology. We're now also on Substack, so check the link in the description box below. Let's begin by dispelling a common myth. Geniuses aren't born. They're created through a combination of innate talent, hard work, and something mysterious that distinguishes them. While we frequently associate genius with exceptional intelligence, there is much more to it than just IQ. Geniuses have a unique combination of creativity, curiosity, and perseverance that propels them to new heights. So buckle up as we embark on this fascinating journey into the minds of some of history's greatest thinkers. Let's start with a fun fact that may surprise you. Many geniuses throughout history were avid procrastinators. It's true. Take Leonardo da Vinci as an example. Despite his incredible intellect and artistic prowess, he was known for procrastinating on projects, frequently leaving them unfinished for years. However, this seemingly counterproductive habit didn't stifle his genius. Rather, it allowed his ideas to marinate and evolve with time. But why do geniuses procrastinate? Well, as it turns out, their brains may simply be wired differently. According to research, nonlinear thinking and a propensity for daydreaming are characteristics of creative people's messier minds. This meandering mental landscape can lead to procrastination as geniuses bounce between ideas and consider various options before deciding on a course of action. Now, let's change gears and look at another fascinating aspect of genius: their propensity for eccentricity. From Albert Einstein's unruly hair to Nikola Tesla's obsession with pigeons, history is replete with examples of geniuses who followed their own path. However, rather than being mere quirks, these eccentricities could be linked to their creative brilliance. According to research, geniuses frequently demonstrate traits associated with divergent thinking, such as the ability to generate novel ideas and solutions. This cognitive flexibility enables them to view the world through a different lens, free of societal norms or conventional wisdom. So the next time you see someone with an unconventional habit or peculiar mannerism, remember that they could be a genius in disguise. Perhaps one of the most fascinating fun facts about geniuses is their proclivity for failure. That's right, despite their towering achievements, geniuses are not immune to setbacks and disappointments. In fact, failure frequently serves as a catalyst for their greatest successes, inspiring them to think outside the box and persevere in the face of adversity. Well, just consider Thomas Edison, for example. Before inventing the light bulb, he famously stated, "I have not failed, I just discovered 10,000 ways that won't work." This resilience in the face of failure is a sign of genius, reminding us that success is not always a straight line, but rather a winding path fraught with challenges and detours. Before we wrap up, let's explore one last fascinating trait of geniuses: their propensity for solitude. While it may appear counterintuitive, many of history's greatest thinkers were known for their love of solitude and introspection. Consider Isaac Newton, who famously spent long hours alone in his study, pondering the mysteries of nature. Or Emily Dickinson, who withdrew from society to focus on her poetry. These geniuses recognized the importance of solitude in promoting deep thought and creative insight. According to research, solitude can enhance cognitive function by allowing the brain to more effectively focus and process information. When we're alone, free of distractions and external influences, our minds can wander and make connections that would not be possible in a social setting. So, what can we glean from these fun facts about geniuses? For starters, we must embrace our own quirks and idiosyncrasies, as they may hold the key to unlocking our creative potential. When faced with failure, remember that it's not the end of the road, but rather a stepping stone toward greatness. To summarize, geniuses are not simply born. They're formed by a unique combination of characteristics and experiences. From procrastination to eccentricity to failure, these amusing facts provide insight into the minds of history's greatest thinkers, reminding us that genius takes many forms. So the next time you find yourself procrastinating or acting eccentrically, embrace it. You might be one step closer to discovering your own genius. Thank you for joining me on this illuminating journey. If you found valuable information in this video, please give it a like, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you made it this far, a special thank you to you. In case you missed it, we're now on Substack. You can get free summaries of each video if you subscribe, and if you want full details of each video's topic, with references and helpful resources, we offer a paid subscription for a small fee. Just click the link below. See you in the next video.